Are your emails getting lost in the inbox? Let's transform your email game and boost engagement with stunning templates in Go High Level. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of email marketing, specifically focusing on how to design and customize eye-catching email templates using Go High Level. Let's dive in. First, log in to Go High Level. Navigate to Marketing tab and go to Emails section, and then click on Templates. Now, click on New button and then click on Email Marketing Templates. Here, you can choose from a variety of pre-designed options. Select any template which you want to use. Next, customize your template. Use bold colors that reflect your brand and high-quality images to grab attention. Remember, your subject line is crucial. Make it compelling. Add personalized elements like company logo and recipient's name to make your emails feel more tailored. Now, let's discuss engagement strategies. Use clear call to action like "Shop now" or "Book a free consultation" to guide your audience. Ready to revolutionize your email strategy? Start your 30-day free trial with Go High Level now and see the impact of stunning templates on your engagement. Don't forget to schedule your kickoff call to optimize your start. Dive in today and transform how you connect with your audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.